Good morning, YouTube fans. Welcome to Remdy's World. It's time to show the unboxing the Toyota Glanza V's parts I ordered from Alibaba and some on Trademe. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe is down here and give us a thumbs up. So we're gonna unbox this big one right here. It's from Alibaba Express. So it is come from, I think it's from China. So this one I bought is actually for a fit for the EG6, but I try to modify the space for the turbo. A lot of Glanzas out there, they don't know what I'm talking about. So they usually use this as a bigger space. So let's unbox this, eh? They actually box pretty well. I ordered maybe 4 days ago and it arrived on the 4th day in New Zealand from China. So it's actually pretty quick, eh? So that's the drainage is right here. And the top cap. Wow, they even come with the top cap. That's awesome. So no need to buy the top cap. So this product is bought from Facebook. It's a FCD. It's a fuel cut diffuser. So basically you can, without touching the ECU, you can use to go around with a fuel regulator and put this on. And if you can get a booster as well for the turbo. So I'll show you that. That's this one here. Yeah, TURBOSMART. That's the one I'm talking about. Try not to buy the cheap ones. This one I bought it from a shop in New Zealand. It's not from Alibaba. So it's actually pretty good quality too. So there you go. To adjust the boost and minus. So these are bought from New Zealand, one from Facebook and one from the Read line. There you go. And these parts are for the EG6 radiator, but I'm going to put these on the Glanza V. So this is a must. Okay. Well, this one is for the turbo return oil feed. You must have that if you can. And this is the oil catch can. So at the moment the oil catch on it, there's no oil catch can in my Glanza V. So I didn't buy the big one. So this one's I try to make it as cheap as possible and make it work. So this one is the oil catch can, the tiny one. It's pretty cute. The next one, this is bought from the Repco, New Zealand. This one is the radium. We need this. Turbo, they do give hot heat. So the higher the temperature is, so we need a cooled spark plugs. So these are the one we need for it. You can't put those stock ones. It's actually won't last long. Thanks to the editor guy, he gave me this MS Turbo boost. I really need that, and so I know how much boost I'm getting. And he gave me the Moto Sport R turbo timer. I need that as well, rather than wait for it for 1 minute and then turn it off manually. This one will automatic turn off. So I'll get my mate to install this. This is the gasket for the Glanza V. It's got spark plugs and heat gasket there. That's really for that. And there's some more parts I still need to put in. Is cam belt, tensioner and water pump. It's a must when you do over 100,000 Ks. So it's actually and crankshaft seal and camshaft seals as well. Just replace them while you can. Well, while you're replacing all these, you might as well do it on the way. So I bought these turbo. It's a CT9. It's got a better inside internal parts, so it's a bit bigger than the original. A bit more horsepower, that means. It comes with a kit as well, so it's got the gasket for the headers and some turbo kit. It's pretty much the same turbo, but the internal is a bit bigger. Yeah, it's much nicer. And I'm going to change these pipes as well. This is the headers. So this one took about 4 days. Amazingly fast. It's actually even faster than ordering from New Zealand actually. Yeah, took 4 days to arrive. So in the Alibaba they say it is about 20 days, but yeah, it's arrived really quickly. So these are the stock heads, because my one has got a crack on the exhaust area. So I'm gonna replace this so there's no exhaust leak, so won't lose power. They come with these bolts as well, and then the exhaust gaskets and the bolts. This is actually quite a good deal. This one is the oil cooler. This one is ordered from Alibaba as well. It's a bit slower, but it's actually not bad. It's actually come from China. I'll put oil cooler so I know what it is. And it comes separate boxes, and it comes with braided hose, bracket, and a cooler. It's actually quite a big one. It's up to this wide. It's massive. You need that if you're gonna do it in the track days to cool the engine down. Best to have. But if you can, get a kit with oil filter relocation kit, so you can put it somewhere it's cooler rather than behind the exhaust. That's what I would suggest. But the one I got now, it's not the oil relocation kit, so I have to buy that separately. But it's worth it in the long term. So these are the braided hose. As you can see, it's actually pretty good. Yeah, so some more brackets for the pipes. And what's this? Okay. There we go. See the fittings. See, that's for the pipe fitting, so it holds it nicely. And that's for the oil. I'll put this back. Right, so all the kits is pretty much here. So I'll put the rest, all the stuff I bought, put the link on below so you guys can check it out. Hi, thanks for watching Remedies World. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. If you got any comment on below, and I'll see you on the next video.
What's in here?
Oh, hey, stop. This is for the review for the next channel, okay? So don't open this yet. It's a surprise for the viewers out there. Please stay tuned.